Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious gravy Matar Paneer. We will start by gathering all our fresh ingredients. You will need about 250 grams of paneer, 1 cup of green peas, and a selection of aromatic spices. Also, prepare your base ingredients like 2 medium-sized onions and 3 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget the ginger garlic paste and a touch of fresh cream for that perfect finish. Next, let's craft the heart of our dish, the flavorful gravy. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them gently until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until its raw aroma disappears. Finally, add your tomato puree and cook until the oil visibly separates from the mixture. Now it's time to bring in our stars, the paneer and peas. Carefully add your 250 grams of paneer cubes and 1 cup of green peas to the rich, simmering gravy. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala for a burst of flavor. Mix everything well and let it simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. To complete our delicious gravy Matar Paneer, we'll add the finishing touches. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of fresh cream to give the gravy a luxurious, velvety texture and a rich taste. Garnish generously with freshly chopped cilantro leaves for a vibrant color and a fresh aroma. Your homemade gravy Matar Paneer is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or your favorite Indian flatbread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.